Hello. Vitalnet lets any user quickly and easily make beautiful tables, charts, and maps. This presentation explains Vitalnet map settings with examples. Vitalnet includes 8 map settings. Color palette to use, color count such as 4 colors, range type such as natural breaks, area labels, whether to place area names on the map, font to use for text, boundaries to use such as region boundaries, cell suppression, do not display data for areas with low counts, and time trend maps, a map series. That is enough to produce a very wide number and variety of maps. Making maps is a bit complex at times. The information in this presentation will greatly help you make and customize Vitalnet maps. Setting number 1 is color palette. Vitalnet includes 27 color palettes for coloring maps. That is a huge amount of choice. Just pick whichever one you like best. The color palettes are directly based on years of research from the NCHS and from Carol Brewer at Penn State. Each palette is guaranteed to produce a beautiful and useful map with a proven color combination. The bottom line is that you do not need to reinvent the wheel by fiddling with color combinations on your own. Just pick one of the built-in color palettes and you are guaranteed an attractive and useful result. A separate presentation explains more details concerning color palettes. Here are some examples of color palettes. An orange to red sequence, a sequence of gray tones, finally a palette with reds and blues. Obviously, the colors you use are pretty important. Pick whichever palette seems to work best for your map. Number of ranges is the same as number of colors. 3 colors, same map with 5 colors, same map with 7 colors. All the maps are similar, but also look somewhat different. Vitalnet lets you try different choices and select the map that works best for your report or presentation. Range type is a bit complicated. A separate video will go into more detail, or you can refer to the ehdp.com website. Suffice it to say, there are 3 choices. Equal counts is the easiest to understand. The map shown has 4 colors. There are about 25 red counties, about 25 orange counties, etc. Vitalnet automatically adjusts everything to produce the correct result. The second range type is equal ranges, which means each range is about the same interval. For example, on this map, the dark blue range is 8 per 100,000 wide, the light blue range is 8 per 100,000 wide, etc. Vitalnet automatically adjusts everything to produce the correct result. The final range type is Jenks natural breaks. This is complicated, so a separate presentation explains natural breaks. Suffice it to say that natural breaks finds the best ranges, the ranges where the areas within each color are as close as possible in value to each other. Vitalnet automatically adjusts everything to produce the correct result. Here are the three range types: equal counts, equal ranges, natural breaks. The maps are somewhat similar, but also many differences. You may have to use your judgment to decide which map best tells the story the data are trying to tell. Vitalnet makes it easy to generate many valid maps, and you can choose the one that best fits your report or presentation. Area labels is pretty simple. The default is to omit area labels. The map is clean and clear. Or you can choose to have labels. Area labels provide information, but can clutter a map when there are many small counties. You have to decide which choice is better for your purposes. Text font on map: monospace bold, sans serif bold. This sets the font for map labels, such as county names. There are 9 font choices, which may sometimes be useful. The boundary setting is very powerful and useful. The default map, shown on the left, has county boundaries. The map on the right shows region boundaries. Vitalnet lets you easily select other built-in boundaries. Your version of Vitalnet can use whatever boundaries you specify. This is a great time saver to produce incredibly beautiful maps. Cell suppression. The default is to color all the areas, no suppression. However, you can choose to suppress coloring for areas with low counts. The map on the right suppresses any areas with 10 or fewer events, such as deaths or births. Areas with low counts tend to be unstable. Just a few events cause rates to fluctuate. By suppressing areas with low counts, you can highlight areas with more stable results. Here is a blow-up of the map with suppressed areas so you can see better. The suppressed areas have a stippled pattern. The red arrow is pointed at one of the suppressed areas. Time trend maps. This last setting allows you to make a series of maps, one for each selected year range. The map series is cycled within a special interface. The data ranges are the same for each map in the series, so you can directly compare the maps. This is incredibly easy, powerful, and useful. We will let the maps cycle a bit so you can see them better. In summary, we have covered and explained the 8 Vitalnet map settings. Vitalnet lets you quickly and easily make beautiful and correct maps. The many settings let you produce about any map needed. Or, if you prefer, you can leave the map settings alone. The default settings will produce a pleasing map almost every time. Finally, Vitalnet exports results to spreadsheet and DBase3 format, so you can easily import the results as a data layer into any GIS software. Thank you for watching the presentation. I'd like to say a little about Vitalnet Software. Vitalnet is a commercial off-the-shelf data warehouse data query solution. Vitalnet makes it easy to analyze and disseminate any large complex data set. Vitalnet quickly and easily makes beautiful tables, charts, and maps. Vitalnet is specially customized for you and your data. The flat rate license includes full support, including data importing and programming. Thank you for listening and watching. We would be happy to provide any additional information you might want. Please visit the ehdp.com website to learn more why Vitalnet is the best value for your organization, or to use Vitalnet with real data to quickly and easily make beautiful output. Fill out the website contact form or call us. We would like to get to know you, help you make best use of your data, and help you meet or exceed your data analysis, data dissemination goals. Thanks again.